Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are playing airplane, just airplane, not airplane 2. We're after airplane 1, I guess we'll go to airplane 2. So I don't know anything about this game. Well, I do know some, but like, yeah. So mine's is C11. Is this my seat? Yeah, that's my seat. I found my seat. Okay. So right now I'm just gonna sit like a normal airplane passer. What you know? I don't know. Passenger. Feel free to explore the airplane. I should like give these new people new names instead of my own. Should I do that? I think. So let's just sit here and know we're going to explore. Oh no, the timer. Okay, let's go back to our seat. It's right here because it's 11 and it's C. See, mine's is 11 and C. My card won't show me because I'm sitting down. Whoa. Okay, you could have gotten hurt. I could have gotten hurt if I kept those. That guy definitely gotten hurt because he kind of jumped off. Do. Everything fine? I don't trust it. I'm gonna just be safe. 11C. See? Look, it's C and I have C and it says 11, the 1. And it's right here, 11. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Okay, I don't actually want no sandwiches because someone might be poisoned. Actually, let's look. I'm not going to eat my sandwich because I know someone's going to be poisoned. But if you don't eat your sandwich still, you still might get poisoned. So this game might be kind of rigged out. So, but bruh, now we have to find his. It's right here. Come on, right here. Bruh. Okay. I'm gonna save my sandwich actually. I'm gonna save it. Cause why not? I'm gonna just save it, you know, just in case maybe. Cause I'm not finna eat nothing from here. Good afternoon to all passengers and inform we are reaching. Okay, so we found his medkit. Sit back and rest. Need to stretch your legs. We will still have a good few hours. Okay. Let's stretch our legs. We stretched our legs. Okay, we stretched our legs. It appears that we lost energy. Hang on there, guys. Guys, look. What is what is that on the right? You know. Dot. I should keep reading this. Hold on. I can't keep talking. You! Oh, I see it. The red eyes. You will not survive! Is it right here? Ooh, that's spooky. Oh, wait, snakes? Okay. Always stand on something high when there's snakes. So I'm just gonna stand right here. Are those snakes? Why is there one over there? Bruh, y'all got a lot of snakes compared to me. Oh, there's the restroom. So we have to go in there, right? Because, you know. Guys, there is an open restroom. Quick! We will be safe in there. Go, 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 go. Ah, my health bar. Hey, I'm safe. I'm going to stand up here because, you know. Wait, let me just. Poop. This girl is about to die. You are about to die. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Do, 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 do. Ah! I didn't press nothing. Do, do, do. Power is back up. Oh, okay, that's me. Power is back up. And the snakes are gone. This goes. And the snake. Oh, thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. I liked how you said that. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back on. Up. What I literally said. So this is the first plane you see this, right? The bad news is that we are losing oxygen. Where? Come on! Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Oh, we're breathing so fine. This is how we breathe. Hey. Hey. What, is there something wrong? Again? Seriously? Oh my god, what is this? It looks like a bomb. Where we go? What are we going to do for real? Like, what do we actually do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save China. You need to cut the blue wire. Blue. Oh my! Oh, okay. Okay. Wow! Wow, I just said blue. Oh my lord! But that's fine. I'm just gonna say, but that's fine. But it's fine. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. Yeah, we actually haven't. I found them. We need to alert the captain quickly. Get to the captain's room, okay? I'm running my butt off there. Whoa! Something is happening. inside. The captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find, okay, he found it. So so we're teleporting there. Okay, that's even better. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. I don't know what we've done. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. Oh, really? It's not like we came on here by ourselves. Huh? I brought you here, all of you. Sure about that? That is not possible. I don't know what's funny. He said that. It is, and now it's time to die. Run! See you in the afterlife. I can't find mines. Okay. I'm just sitting down here. The captain is unconscious. Oh, okay. So we're not supposed to run. The plane is falling! What are we going to do? Like, really? We need to press a button. So it's one of these buttons, right? Yeah, it's one of these buttons. We gotta press one of these buttons. We need to find the pilot. I think that's how you say it. Click everything, but find the right button. Okay. Click, 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 click. Come on, I'm clicking these. Click, click these. Come on. Okay, last one. Wow. Okay. He found it. I think we should live. We saved the plane. We should really live. Like, I want to be it. It has been a very crazy flight. Yeah, it actually have been. So, can't judge you for that, though. It really have. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone. Okay, so we're gonna find an emergency phone. Oh, I like how they... Okay. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes. We are okay. Autopilot mode is okay. Is back. Is on. Okay. We've tracked your location, and we are here. We are taking control. Thank you. Like it's been hours. There is one last task I have for you. So, someone needs to keep the plane. Okay. To sit the co-pilot seat captain. And they're gonna pick should we survive. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. Oh, who did it? I didn't see. Oh my lord. Okay. Wait, I'm the only one. He and me's the only one. Wow. Okay, I got this. Make us live. Make us live, please. Oh no. It is back. Come on. Pick. Well, guess this is an end, guys. I should be ending this video now. So, if you like today's video, Well, we'll leave you not hanging there. Anyways, guys, we'll see you all on next time. I don't know what this guy's gonna do, but I promise we'll come back. Bye, guys, and peace.